Hello everyone, this is Priyanka from Easy Maths. Today I am starting a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Exponents. In this video, you will know the fundamental concepts of exponents, also law of exponents, last but not least, the standard form of it. So, let's start. Introduction. In this chapter, you learn about some terms. Okay, so what are the terms? What terms are used here? Okay, so first thing, I take a number 2, okay, and its power 4. Okay, so what the name of this? Okay, so what term is used for 2? 2 is known as here base. 2 is known in this chapter is base. Okay, यहाँ 2 को एक्सपोनेंट चैप्टर में बेस बोलते हैं. And this 4 is known as exponent. Okay, so 2 is known as base, 4 is known as exponent, and together this formation is known as power. This is very important concepts in this chapter because we have to know that what the terms is used for this one and for this one. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है यहाँ पे कि किस टर्म को क्या बोलते हैं, because when you solve the problem, this term is very useful for you. So here you know that 2 is base and 4 is exponent, and together this expression is known as power. Okay, so if I want to say it in a statement, then you can say that an expression that represents repeated multiplication of the same factor is called a power. Means, what the meaning of this? This meaning that here 2, so 2, 2, 2, 2. That means this number is repeating. How many times? Exponent tell us how many times. That means here is 4 exponent. So 2 is repeating here 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is now expanded form. ये जो है वो expanded form है. When you want to short it, then you have to write that which number is repeating here. Of course 2. कौन सा number यहाँ repeat हो रहा है? 2 repeat हो रहा है. So 2. And how many times is repeating? कितनी बार ये repeat हो रहा है? Then 4. So 4 as an exponent. And this formation is known as exponential form or power notation. Okay, this is exponential form or power notation. One thing more, exponent also known as index. This is also called index, but generally we called it exponent. Okay, but you have to know that its another name is index. So this number, an expression that represent repeated multiplication. Here is the repeated multiplication. This is an expression which represent here in repeated multiplication. यहाँ एक expression है जो कि repeated multiplication के तौर पे दिख रहा है. Of the same factor that means 2 is here the factor. तो एक ही नंबर रिपीट हो रहा है, दिस इज मीन्स सेम फैक्टर रिपीटिंग हेयर, is called power, is called power. So together it's called exponential form, or also it is together called power. Okay, suppose that if you have to here 3, okay, 3 to the power 3 to the power 5, that means what the meaning? First thing, this is exponential form. Okay, first thing, this is exponential form, and how to convert it into expanded form. So this base, that means this number has to repeating 3, how many times? 5 times. That means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is expanded form. Okay, this is exponential form. Okay, this is exponential form, this is expanded form. So this is the main concept. Suppose that 256 is a number. Okay, this number is given and you have to convert it into exponential form. So how you can convert it? So first of all you have to find out the factors of it. Okay, अगर ये नंबर है, इस नंबर को अगर एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आप कैसे करोगे? तो फर्स्ट है ये नंबर, इस नंबर का हमें फैक्टर्स पता करना होगा. सो हाउ यू कैन फाइंड आउट द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ इट? सो prime factors, you know that first we have to divide it with the smallest prime number. So what the smallest prime number? 2. Then you have to divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 6. Again 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 2 2s are 4. Next 2 16, next to 8, next to 4, next to 2. Okay, so you can see here all 2's are factor of 256. Then you can write it like this: 256 is equal to, which number is repeating here? So 2. How many times is repeating? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's write down here. Eight. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now 2 is the base. Why it is base? Because this number is repeating, so this is the base. How many times this is repeating? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 times. So this expression is known as exponential form. When you have to convert any number into exponential form, first you have to find out the prime factors of that number, and then you can convert it into exponential form. Okay, this is exponential form because this 2 has an exponent. अगर किसी नंबर को हमको एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में चेंज करना है, एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म कब बोलते हैं? जब किसी नंबर के पास उसका एक्सपोनेंट हो. ओके, तो उसको हम एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म बोलते हैं. तो यहाँ किसी नंबर, तो ये नंबर कौन सा है? 256 है. फर्स्ट इसका प्राइम फैक्टर हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. जैसे ही प्राइम फैक्टर आपको पता चल जाता है, देन दिस इज इजी फॉर कन्वर्ट इट इनटू एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म. सो फर्स्ट हमने एक्स का प्राइम फैक्टर निकाला. सो देखना पड़ता है कि कौन सा नंबर आपका रिपीट हो रहा है, इसका फैक्टर क्या है. सो इसका फैक्टर 2 है. आई रिटर्न हियर 2. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स it is repeating, कितनी बार ये repeat हो रहा है, तो 8 times repeat हो रहा है, so 8 as an exponent. Okay, so this is exponential form. Understood? And suppose that when you have to change any exponential form into expanded form, okay, suppose here this is the 3 raised to the power 5 or 3 to the power 5, okay, both are the way to read it. What the way to read it? So 3 raised to the power 5 or 3 to the power 5. ओके, इसको बोलते कैसे हैं, बोलने का वे क्या है, कैसे रीड करते हैं? तो इसको रीड करने का वे है 3 to the power 5 और 3 raised to the power 5. Both are the way to read it. Understood? This is also called power notation. ये power notation है. Exponential form and power notation, both are the same thing. So if you have to convert it into expanded form, so what should have to write down? First, base, because base is that factor. So 3 repeating how many times? Then 5. So just repeat it 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the what? This is the expanded form. And when you have to find out a number, and when you multiply it, how you can multiply? So 3 3 is a 9. 3 into 3, 9. 9 3 is a 27. Again 27 3 is a 81, and 81 3 is a 243. So 243 is your answer. When you have to convert exponential form into number, so this is the way. When number has to convert into exponential form, so this is the way to convert it. Next thing in this video is rules or laws of exponent. So what are the laws of exponent? Suppose that you have same base. First thing I want to share here, that suppose you have same base, that means okay, what the meaning of same base? This means that x to the power m and multiply x to the power n. Suppose that you have same base. Here x both are same, but powers are different. That means exponents are different. Okay, they have different powers. Base are same, exponents are different. So same base, when you have same base and both are combined with multiplication, so what the rule to follow there? So simply first it is same here, that means x. So you can take x here. When you have same base, जब आपके पास same base होगा, then exponents are added. Okay, if two powers have the same base, if two powers have the same base, here 2 powers and x as same base, then we take base, single base, common base, and powers, that means exponent will be added. So m plus n. Okay, so when you have same base, just I want to take here example also. 2 by 3 power 4 into 2 by 3 power 3. Now 2 by 3, 2 by 3, both are same, that means same base. Okay, सो टेक अ कॉमन वन, एक ले लेंगे हम, सेम बेस है तो, एंड एक्सपोनेंट विल बी एडेड, एक्सपोनेंट क्या होगा, ऐड होगा। सो 4 + 3 2/3 power 7. This is exponential form. Understood? When you have two same base but exponents are different, then exponents will be added. एक्सपोनेंट क्या होगा, ऐड होगा। जब आपके पास बेस सेम होगा, यहाँ बेस सेम है आपके पास, तो आप कॉमन बेस ले लोगे और पावर को ऐड कर दोगे। सेकेंड रूल इज सेम बेस। In first law, you had seen that both bases are combined with multiplication. Okay, here also I will take same base x to the power m and x to the power n. Same base, exponents different, but both are combined with division. Okay, x to the power m divide x to the power n, both are combined with division. दोनों कैसा है, डिवीजन में combined है. So what the rule here, x and exponent will be subtracted. एक्सपोनेंट क्या होगा, माइनस होगा। जब मल्टीप्लाई होगा, सेम बेस होगा, तो एक्सपोनेंट ऐड होगा। जब डिवीजन होगा तो एक्सपोनेंट माइनस होगा। एग्जाम्पल, 3/7 to divide 3/7. Okay, nothing here. Okay, so how you can solve, or 1, how you can solve? So take a common base, just take a common base. So common base here 3/7, 3/7 common base ले चुके हैं. Next, exponents will be subtracted, then 2 minus 1. You can give here 1 or just leave it. That means nothing here. This means 1 is the power, 1 is the exponent. Okay, so this is the exponential. Third rule, when you have different base but same exponent. So same exponents. When you have same exponents, just suppose that if you have x to the power m into y to the power n, you can see here base are different but exponents are same. Base are different but exponents are same. Okay, exponents are same. So what the rule? So just multiply the base x into y and take common base. Okay, same exponent, that means x to the power n into y to the power n, both are same. So when exponents are same, multiply the base and take a common exponent. Let's take an example here. 1/3 to the power 2 into 3/5 to the power 2. You can see powers, exponents are same but base are different. एक्सपोनेंट सेम है बट बेस जो है वो डिफरेंट है, तो क्या करना है, हमें बेस को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो 1/3 इंटू 3/5 एंड टेक अ कॉमन एक्सपोनेंट, दैट मीन 2, बिकॉज 2 दोनों में है तो ये कॉमन हम ले लेते हैं. नाउ what the answer, 1/5 raised to the power 2. Next law is same exponents. Same exponents, that means x to the power m divide y to the power m. You can see here exponents are same but base are different. So what the rule you have to do? Just divide the base only and take a common exponent. ध्यान से समझिए, उस समय क्या था, x to the power m इंटू y to the power m था. ओके, इंटू में था, तो हमने क्या किया, बेस को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, कॉमन एक्सपोनेंट ले लिया. यहाँ डिवीजन है, सो हम लोग बेस को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं और कॉमन एक्सपोनेंट ले रहे हैं. ओके, जस्ट try to understand with an example here. Suppose that 2/7 3 divide 7/3 3. You can see exponents are same but bases are different. So what you have to do, you have to divide only the base. So base you have to divide, then 2/7 by 7/3 and take common exponent like this. Now how you can solve? So 2/7, when it divide, when you have to change it, that you have to take a reciprocal of this number. Just multiply, 3 2 just 6 and 7 7 just 49 power 3. Next rule is next law. Suppose that if you have a by b, this is the base and its power is negative, that means -1. Negative, that means -1, -2, -3, any negative integer. Okay, so here is -1. And what the meaning of this? This meaning that 1 a by b, or this is reciprocal of this one, that means b by a. Try to understand the rule. If base has negative exponent, this means you have to take its reciprocal. Okay, that means 1 by this thing or b by a, just flip it. Understood? Next, again try to understand this. If two powers have the same base, then you have to try a negative exponent. Here is a negative exponent is the same as the reciprocal of the positive exponent. Okay, both are the factors with exponent, negative exponent. Okay, this is the meaning. A negative exponent is the same. A negative exponent is the same as the reciprocal of the positive exponent. Next rule is, suppose that x to the power 0, that means nothing but 1. Okay, means suppose you have 2 to the power 0, that means you have only write down 1. 3 to the power 0, then only you have to write 1. Okay, and suppose that example of it, negative 1. Suppose that here 2 by 3 to the power minus 1. This means you can write it 3 by 2. This is your answer. Next law is, suppose that if you have a base and m power of power, okay, that means n. Then what the meaning of it? Simply you have to write the base and multiply the exponents, n into n. Just I want to take example here, 2 to the power 3. Then what you have to do? Just take 2 as a base and multiply the powers. So 2 into 3, 6. Hope my video is helpful for you. So if actually it is, then please subscribe and share it. And suppose that if any mistake is there, then sorry for it. And if you understand and if you can solve the problem, then please subscribe and share my video. And also write your helpful comments for me. Thank you.